How to switch your Instagram account from a professional account to a personal account. What is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to easily change your Instagram account from a professional account to a personal one. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So as you guys can see here, I have my account that is a professional account, so I'm able to view my professional dashboard. But if you want to change it back to personal account, this is how you do it. First thing first, head over to your professional dashboard on your profile, and then simply tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. It will take you to your settings menu. So scroll down all the way until you find this option right here, which is account control, so account management. So simply tap on business tools and controls. And right here at the bottom, you have an option to switch account type. Or if you want to add a new professional account, you can do that as well. I'm just going to tap on switch account type. And then from here, you have two options. If you have business account, you can switch it to either personal or creator. Or if you have a creator account, you can switch it to personal or business account. I'm just going to tap on switch to personal account and then tap on this one again. And just wait for a bit for it to load completely. And then your account will be back to a personal account. So if I just refresh my page, as you can see, the professional dashboard is now gone, indicating that the account has been switched back to a personal account. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.